Hey guys, it's Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Now I have such an exciting video. I have been waiting for this package for what feels like forever, but it's only been about 2, maybe 3 weeks. I have just received it. So as you can see, it's not open. This is going to be an unboxing and review on my new Lily and Bean handbag. So I'm going to show you, it smells very strong, exactly what I've received. Now to be honest, this seems very small. I feel like this bag is smaller than what I thought. I don't know. I'm very confused. Alright. So, plain box, which is not that exciting. Open it. How do I open this? Confused. It's definitely a true unboxing. And then we have this. Oh, cute. Okay. So, a little thank you card, which just says, sent with love by Lily and Bean. So their details are down the bottom here. If that focuses, I can't see. And they're just some of the products that they have. So they actually do a few personalized items. So I just was getting super anxious that one, I did the wrong initials or I put them in the wrong spot, but I did not. So this came to $198.40 Australian. So it was $188 for the bag, and then shipping was $48, but I did find a discount code, which definitely try it. I think it saved 20% off. It was just Lux20, Luxe 20, so I saved $37.60. So yeah, total of that. This is the dust bag. Again, super cute. And oh, it's cute. I feel like it's so much smaller than I initially anticipated. I love the color. Let me look. Oh, it's so cute. Oh, it's so cute. So this is called the Hettie bag. Hettie mini bag 10 with initials and fabric pattern strap. So I got my initials NL obviously here. Oh my god. Okay. So, straight off the bat, we have a problem. Look at that. There's like leather missing here. That's actually really disappointing. So quality, I'm not sure. I don't know about that quality. Surely someone would have seen that, but I don't know. So we have the leather strap, which matches. I don't know, even the hardware seems a little bit dirty or something. I'll show you up close. So this is the, obviously, leather strap. Does look like it's going to be maybe small for crossbody. Other than that, the outside does look okay. They have little covers on the feet, but yeah, it's just that little mark on the inside. I don't know. And this is the fabric strap. Now, to be honest, I don't feel like I'm going to wear the fabric strap. Interesting. I don't know if it's hand painted or embossed. It might be hand painted. It's not super crisp. Yeah, this is the fabric strap, which it just comes with, so you have the option. But I'm gonna try and get this plastic off, which I don't really know how. If I just pull it. Okay. It's cute. It's really cute. It's just that one mark. It's really gonna frustrate me, even though it is on the inside. And there's kind of, there's a little mark on the front. Wait, let me get this off. Oh my God, you guys, the more I'm looking at it, the more little marks I'm seeing. Okay. So here on the front, see that little dot? And then the hardware just seems to be, I mean, that might just brush off. That's annoying. I know that this is like super pedantic to pick out all these things, but it's like when you're paying for something, you want it to be like perfect. Look, it's marks there, that imperfection here. I don't know if I showed you that one, like right there, that mark. I'm a little disappointed. Super, super cute bag nonetheless. So it looks like a little Kelly, like an Hermes Kelly, and you're meant to, oh my God, what? And look at all the marks on this. This is gonna be hard to show you. Okay, focus. All here, like look at this. I don't understand. So this kind of took a little bit of a turn from what I was expecting. But it sits like that, so super, super cute. Oh my God, yeah. I don't know, so this is the big mark on the back, and then there's also here is a little bit of a mark. So I'll show you it. Quality, I'm not sure. Look, I'm gonna contact them. Super, super cute. I don't see me at all closing it. I feel like it's going to be more like that. Maybe more like this. Something like that. I think it is a super cute bag, but there is just unfortunately some quality issues. But yeah, if you are looking to purchase from Lily & Bean, then hopefully you do get a better quality item, because yeah, there's just a few imperfections which I know can't be helped sometimes, but also I'll take these off. Also, I feel like it should be looked at properly, especially if someone's like painting or embossing. Surely you would be able to check the products first. So I also do have one of their canvas bags coming, so I will definitely do a review on that. But other than this, I think it's such a cute little design. Let me check, my phone will fit definitely. But yeah, I really like it. So if you have a Lily & Bean bag, let me know your thoughts. I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys so much for watching as always, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thanks again. Bye. I also I was just taking photos to send to them. Oh my God, guys, my dog's just walked in. So there's also a mark here, and also in the very bottom of the bag. I don't think you will be able to see because it's sort of like an outline. In that corner there is a black mark. Very, very interesting. I haven't looked at the straps properly, but I think the strap's okay. This one I'm not too phased about, but even on the strap there is a mark. Just show you that one. See here? Wow. Really, really kind of disappointing. Take a photo of that. Okay, cool. Yeah, I just wanted to check back in and show you that because I didn't realize it had those two more marks.